through the darkest times. Hey man, a warrior.
Me nah stop trying until me get that flying. Me nah stop trying. You want me satisfied.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV, the man of peace. I give thanks to life, health and strength, and I give thanks to another day. Big up everybody, anyone today. Love and blessings. Remember, think right, do the right thing. Still touchable, think before you act. You know me always I say them things to do. Yeah man, Rygin King gone viral again, and this time, it's for the wrong reason. Yeah, he's been arrested and charged for illegal possession of firearm and ammunition in New York. Yeah, first I broke out on the tropics. I mean, I say, I must have stunned this for a video shoot or so. But then we see it start circulate around different social media house, you know, spaces, and yeah. I said, John, no. Rygin King, nah, learn. Let's say a leopard never change his spot, you know. You see it? Yeah, escape out of the ghetto, but the ghetto still in you. The badness still in you. You see it? So we're going to talk about that, viewers and subscribers, but before we get deep into the reasoning, you don't know, I'm going to please go check out the single. Nah, stop trying, see it? And we do it here try for greatness, you know. And we keep it real and stay away from the fairness. You see it?
Nah stop trying. Fly low, fly high. Nah stop trying until the day I die.
Yeah man, words of inspiration coming from I am Maric, you know? Yes, the single is available on all digital platforms. And over there I try because we want to make ourselves better, our life better, and do the right things and help some people, while some people have the luxury, the lifestyle, the riches, and waste for them time. Deal with gun and badness. You see what I say? Yeah man, so Rygin King has been arrested in New York, as we all know already. We know all I want to hear it already. You see me? Yeah, and him just drop a video about 12 days ago named Deep Waters. He must sing and cry, say yo, he want a change in her life, and you know, him not give up, him not done with the road that he want. You know, remember I'm doing EP named Therapy. You know, and him sing some good songs, some good collaboration him get with Sean Paul and them. You see me? And you're there in America, surrounded yourself with some man where, you know, when I encourage you, legal firearm. We are doing legal firearm in a wheelchair. You're not supposed to be near them sitting there. You see me? As me said, the man just drop a video named Deep Waters. And I watch the video and I said, Jano, you know, me always wish good for him to recover and come out of the wheelchair. But this just put a dent in my sympathy for him. Yeah man, straight.
Deep waters I can't swim. Try protect me from the evil where I can't see. I get for identify where me now want be. And not around them not no more there.
Yeah man, you're right man. A deep waters ain't right now, a deep shite. You see me I say? Deep waters you can't swim. Try protect you from the enemies where you can't see. You get to identify yourself where you don't want to be. You see? You're not around them. You know, I'm a bad man, want no evil doers. What you doing? Surrounding yourself with illegal possession of firearm, about 6 different charges, extra magazine and clip and gun loader. Eh? Rygin King? No man, you let down your fans them man. You let me down man. Remember say you get shot up and you end up in a wheelchair. See? And most of the reason why you've been targeted and got shot up. See, and a lot of speculation and rumors say you're in a gang and you're done and this and that. And you end up in a wheelchair. God give you a second chance. You could have lost your life that day. You end up in a wheelchair. Sadly so. See? And you still take away yourself go to America where there's less risk of you. You know, the man them make them more attempts after your life. In the American, you're still surrounding yourself with the men, with friends. We don't know the man them, but a 4 of them get charged. including his wife, Zine, and him are the artist. I don't know if a film care, but the whole of them get charged. So you know, say it's not a good look. Somebody are gonna spill the bean, somebody are gonna inform, somebody are gonna snitch. Who are gonna take the blame? This is not Jamaica where, you know, artists get in a trouble and then bribe them way out and get less a 2 year or so forth, less than where them expected to get. This is America where them strict on them gun laws and clause. You see me? So we don't know how this is going to work out, but we know say I'm going to quote today. Today I'm quote the 12. As me say, maybe one of the man them could have take the charge. You know what I mean? And again, fingerprints and all of them things there. What if the gun commit any you see me? Do the dirty things. Rygin King no fear and they get caught up in them sitting there as an artist where have a bad experience. Feel how bullet feel in a wheelchair. And you got America travel around with illegal gun. And how much clip and magazine and shot and you know? Yeah, maybe you're fearful of your life and you're not taking no check. What about trying to get a license firearm in America? Because maybe you have your wife, so I don't know if you're a citizen yet, or you get a citizenship or your green card. I don't know, but your wife, you have a wife. Maybe she can apply for your firearm license or you use your money and have a bodyguard around you. If I say you want, if you still live in fear. You see me? Have a bodyguard because you have money, Rygin King rich. You make him money out of music. Zine, and them say that the music, you get a second chance in a life to do music, continue music, as we say, not done with the road yet. You see me? And you go to America and get caught up in this. Nah, man. You sing some song, but come like you don't mean the song the way you sing, because you ball for help and therapy and walk again and, you know? Join my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. My Rygin King, we don't know, but them say, you know, you can't take the man out of the town, you know, but you can't take the town out of the man.
Use them a prayer, move mountains. Me know things might take some time, but just the process. Me not done with the road yet. Me not done mash up road yet. Hey.
Yeah, things take a time, but that's the process. You're not done with the road yet. When you're on the road, I walk with the gun, or surround yourself with man with illegal gun. And you end up being charged now. 400 being charged. Who's gonna take the blame? Who's gonna take the raps? Yeah? Who's gonna take the blame? Who's gonna take the raps? Well, let's wait and see. You know what I mean? Maybe one of the man gonna be a real soldier, loyal soldier, and say a fame one. But at the end of the day, it comes down to fingerprints. And you know, America, not take bribe, they're gonna interrogate, and you know what I mean? As me say, if you gonna do any dirty things, Jaja, is it? But me assure you say, yo, enough youth out there trying and want to better themselves in their life. I just need an opportunity, and some artists get it, some man get it and waste it. You know what I mean? Yeah, take life for granted. Rygin King nothing to surround himself around no bad people, no negative people, or no illegal possession of firearm. If nothing there near them sitting there. If you want, then get a bodyguard then. Get one bodyguard. If you step in there when you go on the road, are you paying for him time per hour or per day or whatever? You see me? You gotta do a one show, you get a bodyguard. You see it? That's how I see it, but as I say, each to them own, you know, every man have their own choice, a mistake. You see me? Uprising, downfall. That's why I always say, think before you act and think twice before you make that choice, because when time the attack claps coming up, you have to just be a man and bear the pain. You see it? Yeah. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. A lion foot, the man of peace. Yeah, man. Rygin King, disappointed in him, man. If you get caught up in this situation right now. That's how you go. Yeah, man. Don't forget to go check out my single. Nah, stop trying. Big up.
Me nah stop trying until me get that flying. Me nah stop trying. You want me satisfied.